have never seen a waterfall like this in my life. Hey guys, welcome back to Pat Max Adventures. I am Patrick. Buenos dias. It's an early Saturday morning and I am here at Nauyaka Falls. It's just above Dominical. It's supposed to be a very beautiful waterfall. It's gonna take me about an hour and a half to hike up to it. The entrance fee to the waterfall is $10 or 6 colones. You can also rent like a off-roader or you can horseback ride up to the waterfall as well. Hola. Here's a sign posting the distance. Nauyaka Waterfall, 5 kilometers, 3.12 miles. That's each way. So the total is gonna be 10 kilometers and 6.24 miles. All right, let's do it. Wow. Oh my God. I'm okay. Wow. Look at that hillside. Wow. There's some cows down there. Hey guys. Yep. Maybe about 10 cows. Oh, he sees me now. First bridge. I have no idea how many bridges I will cross today. You can see the river down there. Such clear water. This is a real jungle. Look at these trees, frogs, birds, lots of bugs. Wow. There's a stream going down now. I've gone up about 2 hills, so again, this hike is really up and down, up and down. I've got my bandana, I'm sweating. I've got my arm sleeves. I'm all set. Ah, this is beautiful. Humid, sweaty, but I love it. I love how the sun shines through the trees. It makes it so mystical in here. And here's one of the bigger hills. It's a good workout though. Now the trees have changed a bit as we've gotten higher. That usually happens as you go higher in elevation. The vegetation will change a bit. Some more bamboo up here. So that's one option. Instead of hiking like I am, you can take that off-roader or whatever you would call it, and that would take you up to the falls. I don't know how much that is. I think it's set at the entry that's about $30, or you can just drive your own 4x4 Jeep. This hill is pretty intense. 1 kilometer, 0.6 miles to Nauyaka Waterfalls. Oh yeah, almost there. I can hear the waterfall. There it is. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. Incredible. Wow. I'm gonna climb on the rocks here. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And there's another one way up there. Wow. I have never seen a waterfall like this in my life. It looks like something out of the Amazon. That hike was absolutely worth it. I am just blown away. This is beyond beautiful. I checked the time. I started hiking at 7:30 a.m. I arrived here at 8:30 a.m. I made it in 1 hour. 1 hour. I was told that it would take about an hour and a half, 2 hours, but I made it within an hour. However, after 9 o'clock, you'll see that the crowds start to come. So if you want to get here before the crowds come, try to get here as early as possible. Around 9:30, that's when everyone starts to arrive. Below the first waterfall, there is a little water pool area down here. Clear water. I can see the rocks from here. So I think I'm gonna head over there and swim for a bit. That was so refreshing, guys. The water was really cold, but that's because it's a natural spring coming from up in the mountains. The water was really deep. I dove down pretty deep, and I actually heard that before the pandemic, they used to have a rope up the waterfall that people could climb up and jump off the rocks. Unfortunately, as of now, February 2021, you're not allowed to jump in, but you can do what I did. You can jump off the little rock right under the waterfall. It is gorgeous. It is refreshing. I could spend the entire day here. This is by far the most beautiful waterfall I have seen so far here in Costa Rica. This is the sign that divides the two waterfalls. So I just came from waterfall 2. That one was 20 meters, 60 feet. So now we're gonna go to waterfall number 1, 45 meters, 130 feet. But unfortunately for this one, no swimming. Welcome to waterfall number 1. Yes, I did the waterfalls backwards. I did waterfall number 2 first down below. This is number 1, 45 meters, 135 feet, something like that. Absolutely stunning. Look at this one. Wow. Look how high that is. This looks really nice to swim in, but the rule is that we cannot swim. But you can see how clear the water is. And I just love how the water just repels off the rocks there. Wow. I can't get over how beautiful this one is, guys. So this one flows right through the rocks. And then if we follow the path here, we will be able to see where I was earlier at waterfall number 2, where we were swimming. Yep, there it is down there, guys. Look at that. Ready to jump? Yeah, so the water just flows right here, right there, and then there's the big waterfall. I just arrived in Dominical, which is just down the way from Nauyaka Falls. Dominical is known for being more of a hippie area of Costa Rica. It's a small surf town right on the beach. It's really, really laid back, a lot of chill people. A lot of people sell clothing and handmade things here. This is a great place to sell things if you live in Costa Rica and you want to sell to some tourists or local people. Dominical is also known for its surfing. If you want to learn how to surf, this is the place to come, and it's just down from the falls. I highly recommend coming and checking out Dominical if you're going up to Nauyaka Falls or if you're near Uvita. Look at everything here, guys. There is so much to buy when you're in Dominical. You've got tank tops, t-shirts, towels. I mean, it's just like endless. And with all the palm trees, it just creates such a cool and relaxing atmosphere. A lot of wooden things that you can buy. Ooh, the crocodile. There's so much to buy. It's so overwhelming a little. You can do credit card and cash. Here's a map of Dominical. It's very, very small. It's pretty much one road or maybe two roads. The road that I was just on was this one going along the beach. Earlier, I was walking down this road. This is where you'll find all of the hostels, guest houses, hotels, restaurants, more hotels along the beach, but you'll see a lot of the things that we just saw, a lot of fabric, souvenirs being sold along the beach, and surf lessons. You guys want to see what it usually looks like when I lie down on the beach? This is what it looks like. I've got my blanket, sheet down, my bag, and now me. Look at these waves. These are such fun waves, and again, the beaches here really remind me of California. I'm gonna go enjoy the water, relax, tan after a long day of hiking and swimming in the falls. I hope you guys found this video interesting. If you liked it, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel, and if you want to follow more of my journey here in Costa Rica and around the world, feel free to subscribe. Thanks again for watching, guys. Remember to live every moment to the max. I'll see you guys next time.